Okay, come back once again. So already we this and all already we you can refer previous video file, you can get it. So what's called we make a table with the help of this code. Okay, right? The table is framing. Okay, this is a table what we generating with the help of that code. Then followed by come to the matplot library. With the help of matplot library, we plot all the plots. Okay, just running over here also. Once running, what is output you got to see. Okay, the axis, please mind it. The axes are very important to verify your plot is coming proper manner or not. First is PHP, followed by its efficiency, then PHP versus torque. Okay, then PHP versus speed. Then first figure is 0, 0, C. PHP versus efficiency, it is plot in 0, 0. Then next one thing is PHP versus torque. It is references 1, 0, then 1, 1. Okay, 1, sorry, here 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, like that only. Okay, so based on your axis setting here, what's called here, the axis setting, based on this axis setting, the figure plot position going to vary. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? So all the characters are we obtained. Okay, this is why it is maybe look like a very simple, but the thing is, as a, if you want to become a programmer, you should know what are the things you are learning. Try to apply real-time problems. Okay, like this, right? Okay, fine. So it's over. In future video, we'll see some other applications related to electrical. Okay, right?